Hello everyone, welcome back to another DVD unboxing. Today we got two DVDs to look at. We've got South Park Seasons 1 to 5 and Season 6 through 10. South Park is one of my favorite shows ever, and yeah. Anyways, here's South Park Seasons 1 to 5 here. The front, we got Kenny, spine, and the back of it. There's a description and the some bonus features. So I'll take this slip cover off. And as you can see, it's pretty much the exact same slip cover, obviously. Stand thing again, and let's get this thing opened up. Okay. First we got Season 1, Disc 1, Disc 2, and Disc 3. Season 2, Disc 1, and Disc 2, and Disc 3. Got Season 3, Disc 1, Disc 2. They got Disc 3, and some of these are double stacks, so there's Season 4, Disc 1, Disc 2, and Disc 3. Now, put these back where they belong. Now I got Season 5, Disc 1, Disc 2, and Disc 3. So yeah, that's for Seasons 1 to 5. Now we got Season 6 to 10. Here's front of Eric Cartman, the spine, and the back of it. There's the little description, and then the bonus features. Now there's pretty much the exact same thing. Now, look at the discs. Now, Season 6, Disc 1, Disc 2, Disc 3, Season 7, Disc 1, Disc 2, and Disc 3. Got Season 8, Disc 1, Disc 2, Disc 3. It's double stacked again. Season 9, Disc 1, Disc 2, and Disc 3. Put these back real quick. Now we got Season 10, Disc 1, Disc 2, and Disc 3. So that's pretty much it. Bye.